Hello, hello, it's 19th of December. So, welcome to the bonus challenge. Oh, cracky, this is going to be stiff. Oh, I think it's a snowman. Put yesterday's heart on there. So it's that's how it's all looking. Oh, so cute. Is that back to front? Yeah, it's even got little eyes. It's got a Santa hat on. Looks more like a ghost than a snowman. Oh, that's cute. Let's put that up there. We'll sort that out for tomorrow. Right. Excuse me. Today's prompt, bells. And you know what? I went through all the kits that I have from various digital creators. I couldn't find anything with any decent bells on. So then I went on to the usual, see what I could find in Google Images. I loved these. I really enjoyed them. Could I get them to scale down to fit this little book? No, I couldn't. So see what I mean about I can't work in small. But I'm going to fold those up. They'll be able to go in our journal, won't they? Somewhere, because I do like them. Anyway, eventually I did get this sheet of bells. 10 watercolour clip art. 10 piece, is it? 10 piece watercolour clip art. And of course they were more to a reasonable scale. So I thought we would have a go with those. And where are we? Let's have a look. So that was yesterday's red and a bauble. So I think we are ready to go the other way. So in this one, I've got this, oops, got this small one in the middle. Come on, penguin, lie down. Small one in the middle. I keep wanting to still put this in. We might still get away with that. It's quite flat. Let me see what bell would be nice. Well, this green set I think might go. We've got a thin one there. No, I know, but cut it out and then we've got a load. Let's do a little cut out first and see. So I hope you're all doing well. How are you getting on with your Christmas shopping? So yesterday, yeah, I had my nails done, and then I had to go back in the afternoon to have my eyebrows waxed. I mean, if you can't get yourself all beautified for Christmas, when can you? That's what I say. That's what I say. It actually, from years of working as a nurse, and you couldn't have any nail varnish on. And you know, tough times and spending all your money on your kids. Children aren't cheap, are they? This is the time now that I can treat myself to having my nails done and what have you. Right, I quite like those. I want something behind it though. I'm not keen on. Post Office London, that'd have been okay, wouldn't it, for our stamp? Actually, I quite like that. Let's see. I want it right up to the top. Rough guesstimate there. Okay, let's put that on. I've got no scrap now. Let's have a look at this piece here. I'll tell you why I've no scrap. Oh, these were flirting all over the place, as they do when you're trying to put them on. And I lost one. I couldn't find it anywhere on the floor. Searched high and low. So, in the end, I've got this great big bag that I keep all my paper, you know, scrap paper and rubbish, paper rubbish that can be recycled at the side of me. So I was convinced it had gone in there. And so I had to tip it all out and it wasn't there. And then in the end, I've got this little pull-out drawer here in front of me. You can't see it, but it's because it's a computer desk if you want it to be. And that's for your keyboard. And it was under there, can you believe? And I could have sworn I'd searched there. And you know what it's like, you search high and low and then it turns up and you think, oh, look there. Right, okay. I'm not liking this white stripe down here at the minute. What have I got in my scraps? See, do I want... No, that's still white. I don't want white. Do I want a little bit of... No. So let's see what we could put down there. Have I got a bit of Christmas paper somewhere? I'm getting a bit on short supply of Christmassy looking. I know. We could have a bit of that. This, I don't know what hymn this is from. Born that man no more may die, born to raise the sons of a second birth. Hark the herald angels sing. Yes, it's that. So we have, I'm going out to meet my best friend shortly. If the car works, I'll tell you about that when I've got more time, what I carry on. With the car, and it's, yeah, it's brand new in August, so it shouldn't be having all these issues, but it is. Right. Let's see if I like, that's better. That's better. I don't like the white at that side now. Far too picky, Catherine. You're far too picky, girl. Well, we said we wouldn't necessarily keep what I'd put on originally, didn't we? Thank you. Ah. Mentioning angels. There we go. That's better. That's more of a pleasing background for me. And we'll put those in there just in case we need them. Do I want a bit of this at the bottom? That bit, or oh, I can't decide now. That bit. Yeah, okay. I've just stapled these, but the staples I've got different coloured staples. It's this. I love it. It's from We Are Memory Keepers. Not expensive. I think it's about £5 with loads of different coloured staples. And I think it's nice to have. This is a gold one. Let's put that down then. I've been racking my brains for tomorrow's prompt, so I've asked David for one. He's given us tomorrow's prompt. There we go. That looks nice. I like that. Right. Let's leave that one as is. And then we'll see where we are with this one. This was yesterday's, so I think we are again going back the other way. I'd already covered this bit up because I didn't like what was there. So Oh, we could put a massive bell on, a bit big though. Because it's, right, okay. I nearly cut its little dangle off then. I'm going to cut that bit out. Right, got to concentrate now. I don't want to cut its little tin clacker. There we go. That's nice. Now, I think we'll have that on, but I feel like, do I feel like we need a bit of something else at the top? Give it a bit of coloration difference. Yeah, I think we do. Right, I'm just gonna just get that white edge off. Yes, I like that. Sometimes it's just a matter of having a little play around with the composition on the page, isn't it? And I think we'll be doing a lot of that when we're doing Junk Journal January, which I am looking forward to doing. It's my first Junk Journal January. I'll have a look, see if I want the white keeping on when I've got my bells in place. Have you all heard that there was the reopening last week of Notre Dame in Paris, since it had the awful fire? It looks like they've done an amazing job to recreate, you know, its original features. And our Prince William and I believe Donald Trump went to represent you guys over in the States, and Prince William went. I like that. I'm just going to leave that little edge of white on there. Oh, I love that. This is my favourite one. Christmas bells, and the rings ring out for Christmas. I forgot, what is it? Is it the bells ring out for Christmas time? Dee 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 dee, la 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 la. It's that one, isn't it? Da 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 da. If anybody's just turned on and they think, who's that trying to sing? Right. Oh, I'm surprised how well that's gone. We've got loads of bells now. I'll be bringing them out next year. Put those little coloured bits in there. We might use them. Move my bells over there. Right. So, let's put that on there. These charms, I wish I'd have left them to the end. They aren't half in the way. Won't lie flat. Okay. I don't want that boot on. I don't want the boot on. That's it. Lie flat charm. There we go. There. there are our two flat lays, our two offerings for today. So thank you so much for joining me. Tomorrow's prompt has been chosen by David, and it's add a Father Christmas, or Santa Claus, whatever you call Father Christmas. Add a Father Christmas. And tomorrow I've got an idea to be showing you how we can add the look of texture to something that you don't want to add bulk. So it still lays flat, but it gives you the look of texture. So don't forget, stay tuned for that. I love doing it. So yeah, we'll have a play with that tomorrow, and bring our Santa stage left to join it. All right then, lovelies, you take care about your day. A lot of mad Christmas drivers about at the minute. I noticed yesterday that people have forgotten how to drive because they're too busy thinking of other things. So look after yourselves, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.